Hi, I'm Lee from Rangemores, and today I'm going to be showing you how to fit a brick set into a Morso 6100 series stove. The same applies for a 6800 series as well. It's the same brick set. Now, if you need a new brick set, if any of your bricks are broken or you need to replace them, then you can do so through our website www.solidfuelappliancespares.co.uk, where you'll find this brick set and many other genuine Morso spares. So first off, we're going to open up the door. Now the grate's already in position here, so you can just lift it up and twist. If you haven't already got it in, it goes in very easily, it just slots down in there. Now today we're using a stove that's been used quite extensively, but it's been cleaned up, and the brick set is also used, so we're not making it too easy for ourselves today. We're going to start with the top baffle. Now the top baffle is the hardest brick of all to fit, so once you've got this one in, the rest of it should be a breeze. You've got a long straight edge which goes at the back, and you have a curved edge which goes at the front, and you'll also notice there's an angle here as well on this front edge. It's important that when that's in position, that is angled back into the stove, or pointing upwards away from the front. So we're going to just put that one in. Notice how I lift it at a slight angle. I'm getting that top edge to touch the top back of the stove, and then lift it up level, and then I'm pulling it forward so that that curved bit fits into a channel or a groove just along here, and then there's a gap at the back, so I've pulled that one right forward. Next I'm going to put in the rear brick. Now this is nice and easy. Rib face on the front with the squirrel. That one just goes in there and just sits there. There's no need for any fire cement or anything like that. That one just sits in there nice and easy. Next I'm going to put in the side firebricks. Now the side firebricks are slightly curved in order to match the shape of the stove. Again, rib face pointing into the fire, and you've got a shorter vertical edge at the back and a longer edge at the front, which demarks which is the left and the right. So this is the left. So I'm just going to pop that for a minute in the bottom of the stove. It's in the right position, but I'm not going to upright it just yet, and I'll show you why in just a second. Same for the right hand side firebrick, shorter edge at the back, and I'm just going to lie that one down on top of that one, which just leaves us with the lower baffle. Again, we have a rib face which points downwards towards the fire. We have a short edge which goes at the back, and the longer edge which goes at the front. Now the trick to putting this one in, you just put that in an angle. Once it's clear of the front, I've got the ribbed face facing me, which is the bit that will end up eventually pointing down, and lifting that up, and then I'm twisting it in the stove and resting it on the back bar which goes above the rear firebrick. That's the tertiary air bar. It's the bar with all the little holes in. Now I have still got the weight of it on my hand there, so all I need to do now is just upright these side firebricks. So starting with the right one, just upright that one there, and do the same for the left, and then I can gently lower that one, and that lower baffle now is resting on those side firebricks, and that's it. We fitted a brick set into the Morso 6100. Like I said, that will also fit the 6800. And just to finish, again, if you need to buy that firebrick or any other Morso spare, and then you can visit our website, which is www.solidfuelappliancespares.co.uk. The link will be in the video description, or in the comments below. And that's it. That's how to fit a firebrick set in a Morso 6100.